Case of two paramedics charged in the death of Elijah McClain is now in the hands of the jury. Good evening, I'm Michael Spencer.
And I'm Kelly Worthman in for Karen Lee. This is the third and final trial related to McClain's death. The 23-year-old black man died in 2019 after a violent encounter with Aurora police and being injected with ketamine by paramedics. Those paramedics, Jeremy Cooper and Peter Chikuniak, are charged with reckless manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide, as well as second-degree assault. Michael Abeyta is covering the trial as your reporter in Aurora. He joins us live now from the Adams County Courthouse. And Michael, you were there listening in on those closing arguments today.
Yeah, and it was an opportunity for the lawyers on both sides of this case to make their final plea to the jury, and now that case is in the jury's hands, the third of three trials involving the first responders that were involved in that altercation that took place with Elijah McClain that led to his death.
In the final day of the trial against paramedics Chikuniak and Cooper, both the state and the paramedics defense team took center stage to make their case to the jury one last time.
These are the risks that they chose to put on Elijah McClain.
Lawyers for the state argue that the two men didn't give McClain the medical care they should have. They say instead they chose early on to give him way too much ketamine without evaluating him properly, then left him in a dangerous position on the ground until an ambulance arrived.
There was no justification not to assess Mr. McClain. There was no justification to give someone who is not moving a sedative. There is no justification to ignore a lifeless patient for 6 minutes before you try to take his pulse. The defendant's recklessness is proved here beyond a reasonable doubt.
They say this led to his death.
They didn't admit that there was any single thing that they did wrong on August 24th, 2019.
Things are not always as they appear.
But lawyers for the paramedics say the pair did everything they were trained to do to keep everyone safe, including Elijah McClain, based on the information they were given by police.
With inaccurate, incomplete information, with the sense of danger that maybe wasn't warranted, in an unlit grassy area, they're called upon to decide.
And they say finding the paramedics who tried to help Elijah McClain guilty in this case would not be getting justice for him.
Don't do it by criminalizing conduct of people who are attempting to comply with the protocol, with what are basically their marching orders, the rules that they follow.
Now, the jury did convene briefly after they were dismissed at 5 o'clock, but then they left and they're going to reconvene in the morning and start deliberations at 8:30. In Adams County, Michael Abeyta, covering Colorado First.
All right, Michael, thank you.